are going to school.
Baka wanted backward.
I'm literally vlogging. I'm vlogging. TJ, look, I'm vlogging. Ow! Excuse me. You can breathe. Excuse me. Cut, please. Can you cut this?
It's hot
Editor?
out here.
It's hot. It's only 3 degrees.
It's literally 100 to
100 degrees in my phone.
100 trillion degrees.
Don't listen to him. This is the kiwi. Hello.
That thing is on the car, bro. Bro, I'm the first, so I have many. So dear this.
Don't reveal my real name. Don't reveal my real name.
Ay, tito, eto pala.
Tissue cover thing. Whatever that thing called. Tissue cover.
Tito, nandito.
I'm not going to reveal my name yet.
In 300 subscribers, you are gonna read your name. So I'm gonna read my name. My name. And the poo wee.
Come on, this is my 2 vlog. This is part 2.
Degrees.
This is part 2. It's hot. The door closed. I'm literally closed.
Bro.
You're too noisy.
Yan, nasa doon.
Okay, come on. We're going to school. Come on.
Ikaw, tito.
Wait, give me back my ID.
Move doon, move.
Move your booty. Move your booty.
Gusto mo na.
Move the booty. What? Alpha Sigma, Skibidi Toilet. Yes. How can this thing can be a phone holder? Be a phone holder. I think cannot be a phone holder thing. It's hot. It's hot in here. It's hot. Can I open the window thing? I can open the window. If you have anxiety, out the window. If the window don't broke the window. This must be the cringiest vlog ever. Now it's cold off. Oh my gosh. I'm literally sweaty right now. I'm going to post this. I think I'll post this in my draft.
Sobrang init siguro.
Literally 10 degrees outside. Literally 10 degrees outside. Can you just edit that? We're moving. Yay. Moving, going to my school. Going to my school.
We're going to the school. This is so hot.
It's hot right now.
This house.
It's so hot right now.
What's that? This is.
So hot
Guys,
right
I'm
now.
The sauce. Look at that. The sauce.
Wait.
I
I think it's this thing. You cannot see this thing.
Can I see it?
Oh, I cut. Okay, this is now. You're going to see this. Look, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Baby, may lamok. Yeah.
What is that? Oh, there's flies.
Yeah, boy.
Wee, the car.
Oo nga, malamig pa. Malamig na!
The car. Oh,
Si JJ.
they seize now. There's flies everywhere. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds.
Tapak ko sa atin.
It's about to rain in the classroom. Wait, can you just cut that out? Cut that out.
Hey, you gonna burn or touch that.
Ooh.
Oh.
Editor, cut that out, please.
Jump over this.
Just put a smile face there, editor. Wait. Oh, they're literally talking.
Hindi guys, klase pala ni Ibong si Ellie.
That's his nickname.
Alam ko ba?
Hindi pumapasok.
Ay. Oh.
Hindi,
I'll see you in my school. Goodbye. We are almost here. Ah, look. There's abandoned house. Look, there's an abandoned house. Wow, look at this thing. Look at it. No, look at it. No, you can see that. So you can see this. You cannot see any of this. You're just gonna see my foot. Look at what I'm wearing. What are you wearing? You see that? Look at my wearing. Oh, it's the red light. What are you doing with me?
Yan, nabuka mo sa pakinta na
Oh, it's green Carson. Oh, look at one. He dropped the popcorn. Where look at school?
Uleg. Uleg. Ikaw makakawin daw.
Yes.
One, two,
We're literally going to prank somebody. Oh, we're here. We're here.
I'm getting all my nine.
Halika na.
What? Getting all the nuts out of you? Where's your umbrella?
Hindi na mapasok.
Look at this. Wait. I'm walking.